Now you take this Chevrolet Fleetside. Chevrolet has sloped that windshield pillar forward, making it easier to get in and out of. That's on all 1966 Chevrolet trucks. And Chevrolet's put big coil springs on all four wheels, make them ride more like a car instead of a truck. Take this big old V8 high torque 327 Chevrolet developed so that truckers could do the heavy duty work with the low cost of a light duty truck. And on this model, Chevrolet's got that Delcatron to keep the battery charged up while the car's at idle. And on this particular vehicle, air conditioning, keep you cool on those hot summer days. And don't forget the power steering that makes it easy to turn around in those dirt roads. Take a look at the interior of this truck. Gives you all the comforts of a nice riding automobile. And for 1966, this is about the best there is in my book for a light duty hauler. Chevrolet 1966.